Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. As you can already tell from the slayage that you just saw, I am going to be doing the butterfly locks in this video. The hair that I'm going to be using is going to be this 3X Caribbean Coily water textured hair. This hair is in 20 inches, and as you can see, the one pack of the hair comes with a 3-in-1. So it's kind of like it's the 3-in-1 pack. And y'all get this, I only use 3 packs and not even the full 3 packs for this look. So I did go ahead and get the 1B. If you want to add a little bit of color, you definitely can. I received this hair from Shop Beauty Depot. I'm going to leave all of their information down in the description box, but it is an online beauty supply store. So definitely make sure you check them out for this hair. Here I'm going to just run through all of the products that I'm going to be using in this video. I'm going to be using some jam. I'm also going to be using Murray's beeswax. That's just to get my natural hair in formation. You're going to need some mousse towards the end of this style to set the actual locks. I'm also going to be using this shine mousse, this shining spray, and this is just going to give the finishing gloss that you need for a look. Now this latch hook came from Shop Beauty Depot, as well as this edge control, and this is actually an edge grow. I've never used it before. I've actually never heard of it, but they sent me this as well as some jewels to go inside of my locks. Now, you know, with locks, you can always jazz it up with different accessories. So I'm going to be using these type of jewels for these locks. All right, and here I am all natural. I went ahead and did some of my twists so I can get into the swing of things before I got on camera. So I did go ahead and use the rubber band method for this. I did the rubber band method because if y'all can't tell, my nails are long. They're not as long as I usually get them, but they're still long and they can get in the way with me gripping my hair. So I went ahead and sectioned my hair and put in the rubber bands. So after I did that, I went ahead and I braided my hair down. To me, just braiding your hair, plaiting your hair down is going to make it easier for you to twist the water wave hair around it. All right, so I'm going to try to go as slow as possible and give you as much detail as I can. So starting off with this, we are going to use 2 pieces of hair for each lock. When I take those 2 pieces, I'm not going to separate the hair. Now, I've watched other videos when people separate the hair first. To me, installing the hair with the uniform curl is going to be best. After you latch the hair on the latch hook, of course, you're going to pull it through, but you're not going to pull both sides through. You're only going to pull one side, as you can see here. So after you pull that one side through, then I'm going to go ahead and separate the hair. I also want to make sure that the side that I'm going to be wrapping around the lock is longer than the other side that you'll see me holding. I'm hoping that this makes sense, but if not, I'm going to show you over and over again exactly what I'm talking about. But I'm just going to go ahead and fluff the hair out now. Then after I fluff the hair out, as you can see, I'm going to be using one side of my hand to hold the hair in place. So that's my stay in place hand. And then I'm going to be using the other hand to actually wrap the hair. Now you want to make sure at the base where the rubber band is, you want to wrap that maybe like 5 times just so that the lock can stay in place. And as you can see, I'm just going to keep wrapping it around. Now, what I love about these locks is that they're not uniform. So as you can see, my thumb placement is what's making that butterfly effect on the lock, meaning that where you see like there's small pieces coming off of the lock, that's what my thumb is creating because it's kind of in the way when I'm locking, when I'm twisting the lock. And so once I pull my thumb away, you'll see it's going to create that effect. And it's really just up to you how uniform you want your lock to be or how kind of messy you want them to be to give that butterfly effect. I'm also going to pop in a picture here just to show you, but if you know it's not giving you as much as you would like, you can always tug on it and pull on it like you just see me do here, you know, just to add some extraness to it. It's really just up to you and what you want to do, but you're just going to keep twisting it, keep locking it all the way around until we get towards the end. And then once we get towards the end, you're just going to fold the hair up. After you fold it up, you're just going to keep twisting it around until you lock the hair up. The thumb placement is really, really, really important when it comes to these butterfly locks. Here we are towards the end, and even if it's too long than the look that you're going for, all you have to do is fold it up. It's one piece that you saw that I folded up, and then I'm just going to take that piece and just keep wrapping it around the lock, and I'm just going to wrap it up. Then after I wrap it up, you'll see me go with the praying hands method, just to go ahead and I don't even know what they call that. I guess to warm the hair up in your hand, and it further like locks in the hair. As you can see, this is the finished look of the butterfly lock. Now I'm going to show you a few more times in this video how to complete this style, because I want to make sure you're able to do it. And I know for me, I'm a visual learner. So I am going to let the music play, and then I'll come back towards the end for the final look and the end of this video and the review of this hair, because this was a few weeks ago when I did this, and I've already worn the hair, and I can give you, you know, a small review on it. Here, I'm just going to be inserting a picture that I found on Instagram. This is just going to be showing you the different styles of locks that you can do. It's really just up to you and what you want to do. I'm not going for a uniform lock within this video, so I am not twisting really tight. I'm twisting really loosely, and I'm giving it, you know, that ununiform, boho, messy type of look for my butterfly locks. But again, if you want to do it a little tighter and twist them a little bit more neat, you definitely can. And as you can see, this is the finished look. I am absolutely in love with these butterfly locks that I was able to create in the comfort of my own home. Won't he do it? Save me some coins. I love when I can recreate hairstyles like this by myself. And this was my first time doing this, and just watching a video, I was able to do this in less than 6 hours. I don't even think it even took me that long because I did take a few breaks, but this is what we are working with right now on Shop Beauty Depot. This hair is going to be $10.99. I definitely suggest that you use the products that I use in this video because the mousse definitely helped lay this hair down. Now, if you're the type of person that do not like frizz, then this hairstyle may not just be for you, because as you can see, these are not uniform locks. They kind of give that, you know, that messy boho vibe to them. Absolutely in love with these butterfly locks. Y'all make sure y'all check the description box down below for all of the information. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.